Hey guys, it's Jordan at Greenville Properties, and I am here touring an upcoming development, Unity Village, right here in the heart of downtown, right next to Unity Park. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit about what they're doing here and what it's going to look like. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's take a look at what's coming up in this area. So this is going to be the main entrance here. I know it's not much to look at now. Use your imagination, but as you can see, right over there is Unity Park. You can literally see the tower from your home. The great thing about these, they're gonna be 3 2.5. So 3 bedrooms, 2.5, and your main living area is gonna be on the first floor. Right, guys?
Right. That's right.
Perfect. All right, so let's go up here and I'm going to show you guys what the view's actually going to look like. All right, guys. So Colby's going to tell you guys a little bit about what it's going to look like. And if you have any questions, anything that you need to ask, feel free to let me know. And I can send you some additional information on what it's going to look like in the site plans and all of that. Go ahead, Colby.
Hey guys, Colby Ebert here. It's my partner, David Miller. We're the developers here at Unity Village, and we are excited to walk through our development with you guys today. We finally got far enough along out here where we can actually walk the grounds a little bit and start talking about the finished product. So Jordan's here with us. We want to walk through the site a little bit just to kind of give you an idea of what this finished development is going to end up being. So like Jordan said, we're really close to Unity Park, got a great view of the observation tower. Pickleball Greenville's right there as well. So again, location's fantastic. As you can see behind me, this is our entrance, so this will come in, and we're gonna have a road that runs from front to back. And that road will run straight down to the end of the property, which will have some units down this way, which the road will continue. And then we will have one road that will shoot straight down here. Now that road will then veer off into another second road that will lead to the remaining units. So you have 5 buildings total on the site. We have
only 21 homes.
Only 21 total. So we'll walk down this way as we come up down the first road here. We'll have our first building that you'll see when you come in, which is right here on the right. This is our only building with 5 units. So there will be 5 units here. Our remaining buildings will have 4 units. Now these buildings, all the units themselves, they'll average about 1,800 square feet. We do have some different square footing options, and there's 3 different options there for square footage. Go check it out. You'll be able to see a 3D rendering as well, so that'll give you a little bit more clear picture of what the finished product is going to look like. So again, here, building of 5, buildings of 4 going down. My personal favorite is going to be this far back building here. I really like that one. I think that one's gonna give you the best views of the park. It's also gonna give you the easiest access in and out as well, because it is just straight down. And as you get past the first road here, you're not gonna have much activity down there, so I really like that end unit a lot. And I do believe that's unit 101, but don't hold me to that. I believe it's your 101. So again, averaging 1,800 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. Main level is your half bath. You have your kitchen, you have your pantry, you have your laundry, living room area. Then all the bedrooms, bathrooms are upstairs on the second level. Now, the one thing I think is very unique about our development and the build itself is we have a 2-car garage, and it's not tandem, it is side by side with a small driveway. So okay, we don't see too much of that on the 2-car garage that's side by side here in the downtown area. So we're excited to have that in our product. And if you haven't seen the renderings of the exterior, please again check that out on our website. We're happy to send you some more information on that as well. So I think we're building a very beautiful product, and I know David can probably touch a little bit on that too. So
yeah, one of the key things right now is we are in our pre-sale phase. So during our pre-sale phase, you can select your interior options. We've hired a designer to come up with 3 interior options. Different colors, different tile matches, they all match together, they look beautiful, and you can pick out your particular favorite interiors only during our pre-sale phase.
we're happy to show you those packages. Of course, we do have a sales office as well. So our sales office is located at 330 East Coffee Street right here in downtown. So just on the other side of downtown. We usually schedule those by appointments. You can come in, you can feel the finishes, you can see the package options. We have them all right there for you to check out. So we want to do that because obviously it's very hard to just describe it to you, but we want you to see it, touch it, feel it, to give you a good idea of what that product is going to be inside your home.
Maintenance-free living downtown is incredible. All right, so it's kind of downtown, so you really don't need as many amenities, but I'm guessing there is an HOA, right?
That's correct. There is an HOA. So the HOA will get you maintenance-free living essentially. So it takes care of all of your lawn and landscaping at your unit, as well as the insurance coverage.
And for my realtor friends that are watching this, Colby, are you working with agents?
We are working with agents. We are happy to work with agents.
These are going to be priced in the low to mid 700s. And I want to show you guys, like, holy cow. So this is where the property ends. Yes, that is a railroad track. There is one train that services one business down that away. And it runs one time a day at 11 a.m.-ish. But look at this. That's Unity Park. That's the pickleball place. Like, literally right there. It's wild. So this is all going to be developed. And month, I'm going to come back out here because they tell me there's going to be roads and curbs and all of that. So I'm going to kind of keep an eye on this progress. But like they said, they are pre-selling. So if you want to make sure that you get this, rates are coming down. Rates just came down dramatically, drastically this week. So if you want downtown living, if you want it as a second home, these are going to be incredibly nice. Send me a message. Click the link below, down there. Click it. And let's at least talk through it. If it makes sense, it makes sense. If you want to have a nice home downtown in a phenomenal location, you saw, like, literally, Unity Park is right there. Definitely think it's worth a look. If not, all your buying and selling needs, Greenville Properties. If you haven't seen our song, you need to go watch our song. It explains in full detail what we do, who we are. And now I'm going to go try to drive this tractor. Bye.